In the world of recreational vehicles, American buyers have always been accustomed to the large, luxurious, and rugged Class A motorhomes that dominate the market. But now, a new breed of RVs is making its way across the Atlantic, bringing a distinct European flair to American soil. These award-winning Euro Class A RVs are designed with a completely different approach, more compact, sleek, and stylish than their American counterparts, and they are slowly gaining traction among RV enthusiasts in the US. But the question is this European style what Americans want in an RV? Euro Class A RVs, which have long been popular in Europe, stand out for their emphasis on efficiency, modern aesthetics, and innovative use of space. Unlike the massive, often bulky RVs we see on American highways, these European models are often more streamlined, offering a more refined design and practical functionality without compromising on comfort. European manufacturers have focused on creating RVs that feel more like a home on wheels, with clever interior designs, premium materials, and a focus on livability. One of the most notable features of these Euro Class A RVs is their compact size. While American RVs can sometimes feel more like mobile apartments, European RVs are typically more agile, allowing for easier maneuverability, especially on winding roads or in tight campsites. This makes them especially appealing to those looking to explore less accessible destinations, where larger RVs might struggle. Furthermore, the compactness doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. European RVs often make the most of available space with multifunctional layouts, smart storage solutions, and high-tech features. Another standout characteristic of European RVs is their modern design. Sleek, minimalist exteriors and high-end interiors make these RVs a far cry from the traditional, often clunky-looking motorhomes Americans are used to. The interiors often feature clean lines, contemporary furnishings, and a more open and airy feel compared to the dense, somewhat outdated interiors of many American RVs. Materials such as natural wood, leather, and high-quality fabrics create a refined atmosphere that appeals to those seeking both style and functionality. In terms of technology, these European RVs are ahead of the curve. Advanced infotainment systems, eco-friendly features, and even electric or hybrid powertrains are common in newer models. These innovations ensure that the vehicles are not only comfortable and stylish but also efficient and sustainable, aligning with global trends toward environmental responsibility. Many Euro RVs come equipped with solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, and state-of-the-art batteries, making them more self-sufficient during long trips. However, the introduction of these Euro Class A RVs to the American market raises a number of questions. While their smaller size and sleek design might appeal to some, American RV enthusiasts have traditionally gravitated toward the larger, more rugged models. The notion of an RV as a home on wheels, complete with a large kitchen, multiple bedrooms, and ample storage, has long been a standard in the US. The smaller size of European RVs might leave some feeling cramped or restricted, especially when compared to the expansive living spaces of traditional American motorhomes. Moreover, while the design may be modern, it may not appeal to everyone. For some buyers, the European style might feel too minimalist, and the lack of a grand, traditional RV look could be a turnoff. American RV culture is deeply ingrained in the idea of luxury and spaciousness, and some may feel that these Euro Class A RVs don't meet those expectations. Price is another consideration. While some European RVs are priced competitively, others can be quite expensive, especially when you factor in import taxes, shipping, and other fees. In an already saturated American RV market, it's unclear whether the cost and different design sensibilities will be enough to persuade buyers to make the switch from traditional American brands. That said, European RVs are starting to catch the attention of a younger, more design-conscious demographic who may not want the home-on-wheels experience of their parents. For these buyers, the idea of a more compact, stylish, and efficient RV that can be easily maneuvered through city streets or taken on an off-the-beaten-path adventure is incredibly appealing. As travel trends evolve, more people are looking for flexibility, sustainability, and design quality, all of which European RVs provide. In the end, Euro Class A RVs may not replace their American counterparts anytime soon, but they are certainly bringing a fresh perspective to the RV market in the US. Whether they can carve out a niche in an industry dominated by large, luxurious motorhomes remains to be seen, but these sleek, modern campers certainly have a lot to offer to the right buyer.